Hi everyone, it's Vicky here. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a tassel using the new product from Creative Craft that has been released today, and this is their pom-pom and tassel making kit. So it comes with this beautiful case, and I absolutely love this color, and it says make it pretty, add a pom-pom or tassel. So in this kit you will get two pom-pom makers. So we have the small and the medium. You'll be getting the tassel maker, and I love the fact that it's acrylic because it will make it nice and sturdy. You get 3 different sizes, so you will have the 5 cm, 7.5 and 10 cm. You will also be getting the thread to make your pom-poms. You could use this to make your tassels as well. And we get these 4 beautiful colours: pink, yellow, green and blue. You will also be getting 4 of the beautiful colours in the faux leather cord. Some of these beautiful clasps in silver and gold to attach your pom-pom and your tassels to your projects. So here is one of the tassels that I have made, and this is what we're going to be making today. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So we're going to be using the pink cord today. This tassel here, I used the 7.5 cm. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger. So we're going to be using the 10 cm. So I've got my pink cord here, and I'm going to start from the front. So I'm going to place my thumb onto the cord, so that will keep it in place, and we're just simply going to wrap our cord around the acrylic, and you want to make sure that you keep it within these areas here. So we're going to just wrap that around, and you want to overlap it with that loose piece, so then that will keep that in place. So just keep going around until you feel like you have enough. Okay, so I'm going to finish that off, and my loose cord is at the back. Then you're going to get another piece of cord, and you're going to place your thumb and your finger underneath and lift that up, and just place that underneath like that and pull that through, and you're going to be bringing that to the top like so. Then I'm going to get my clip, and we're going to place one of these through that clasp. So we're just going to tie that into a knot. Cut that just yet, we can trim that off in just a second. So now what we need to do is we need to come to the bottom of our tassel, and you want to get a pair of sharp scissors, and you're going to just lift that up again, place your scissors underneath and just cut them like that. So then it will bring that off the acrylic. What I like to do is that section that we tied off at the top where our clip is attached to, I just like to bring that knot so it's underneath my tassel, so then you don't see that, and then these can just blend in with the other tassels like so. So now we need to tie a bit of cord around this section of your tassel, so then that will keep it all in place. So you'll see here you have these holes in the middle of the acrylic, and we're going to be using the largest hole, and you want to just bunch up your cord together like that, keeping that knot underneath there, and we're going to place the clip through that hole and then bring some of that cord through like that. Then we're going to get another piece of cord, and we're going to tie that off into a knot. So I'm just going to trim some of that cord off. We're going to tie that into a knot to begin with. Okay, so we've tied that off into a knot. Then we're going to pull that out. So now we need to cover that knot, and I want to blend these two into the tassel. So to do that, this one here I'm going to keep down with the others. This one, I'm going to wrap it around that knot a couple of times. To do that, I found it easy just to get a pokey tool and just push it through that underneath that knot, so there's enough just peeking through there. Then we can pull that underneath like so, and then that will blend in to the rest of the tassels along the bottom. To just trim off these ends here, so again, get a sharp pair of scissors, and I'm just going to bunch it all together and just trim off the excess and make that tassel all level. And there we go, you have your tassel all made. And how easy was that? So that is the largest tassel, and that is the medium one, and obviously you have the smaller option as well. So there we go, guys, that is how you make the tassels using the Creative Craft pom-pom and tassel making kit. So I'm going to show you another project that I made using this tassel making kit. So here you can see I made a craft room tassel bunting, and I just love the finished result with this. I used wool to make these tassels, and I just think it is really cute. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Please subscribe to this channel, so give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. You will also find this product listed in the description bar down below, and you will find that over on the Craft Stash website. So take care, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.